Guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. But first, open new message. Let me just skip it. So once you are in new message and you can see your keyboard, so this is your current keyboard. From this panel you can smoothly change the language. Just tap on settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, and now you can either scroll all the way down and look for the language that you want to apply, or you can use the search area and enter the language that you want to use. Let me choose, for example, Arabic, tap on done. And now you can stay with both languages, or you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on edit icon, marking the language to delete, and tap on bin icon to confirm it. Once you go back, you will be able to use this new language only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.